In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create missions here in GTA 5 Online. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, obviously, first things first, you are going to need to get in GTA Online to do this, but once you are in GTA Online, go ahead and open up your settings and go to this Online tab. From here, go ahead and select it and scroll down, and what you're looking for specifically is going to be the Rockstar Creator option, or just the Creator tab if you don't automatically see it. Go ahead and select it, and this is going to automatically quit your current session and load you into the Creator mode. And this is where all the fun actually begins. It may take a second if it is your first time loading into this, so just keep that in mind. But after it does load, you're going to see a bunch of different options, including create a mission. Go ahead and select that and then hit create again. And it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, where you're going to have a lot of mandatory things that you're going to need to do inside this mission creator. Go ahead and begin by creating a title, description, whatever it might be. If you have an idea, you can come back to these later because you can switch tabs. So what I would do first is switch tabs to see the things for like camera, changing camera height, zooming in and out, moving faster, a whole bunch of stuff. There's going to be a details tab. We could set that title, description, tags. And there's also other options like ambience. It's pretty cool. You can place props. There's hundreds of them, like barriers, benches, cabins, and more. You can also spend hours experimenting with props alone. Just take your time. Make sure everything that you place is exactly as you want it. You can even test it as well. But whenever your mission is set up, that's when I would go to this manage section first and do test it. This will let you catch bugs, glitches, or anything that isn't working properly. Whenever you are finished though, save your mission before exiting, and when you're completely happy with it, go ahead and select publish just like so. It's then going to be available for others to play, and just like that, that is how you can create missions here in GTA 5 Online. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point that this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.